What is she doing? What are you doing, woman? Don't you know how to back out of the driveway? Woohoo! All right, this is gonna be a short drive. I'm only going about 10 blocks. But I thought I would share the weather conditions with my lovely friends on the internet. And it is currently snowing. I don't think it's snowing a lot, that's my opinion. It's snowing a little. We're supposed to get 1 to 2 inches. We've gotten flurries. The road is slightly covered, slightly, but I don't feel like it's slick. Yeah, it's not slick. It's not slick at all. But we're supposed to get 1 to 2 inches, so it's probably gonna get slick here a little bit. Temperatures are currently about 16 degrees, 17 degrees. The high today is 27. You do have to watch out for these kind of areas. These intersections, there's huge chunks of ice and it's like off-roading. So this is a side street, so I'm guessing the other streets are even better. You are where? Cruel way to come back from Florida. Yeah. It's gonna get better though, Tim. It's gonna get better. Good morning, Grandma. It's gonna get better because this weekend it's supposed to thaw and rain and just get better. Let's see if this is slick. Ready? Nope, not slick. So you should be good for a while. It's supposed to snow 1 to 2 inches in the metro area. Side streets got a little flurries on them. Should be fine though. It's gonna freezing rain, I've heard. Freezing rain tonight, possibly. Freezing rain tomorrow night. Not a lot of accumulation though for snow, really. Besides this morning, 1 to 2 inches. This is really, really light snow too, so far. Look, that's it. That's my drive. Super short today. This morning I'm coming to First Family Church in Ankeny to do some video for them. So I'll be working this afternoon. So we'll do another little update here at about 12:30, I'm guessing. Is about what time it'll be. We'll see how the weather is then, see if the accumulation reaches 2 inches as expected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Look at that snowdrift pile. Look at that pile. Have a nice day, everybody.